Hi, this is Ornella, and I'm going to give you an overview of my portfolio that I have been working on since I started my master's program at Ramapo College. The first class that I took was the Brains course, and here I created two major assignments. One is differentiating between the three economic systems, and I created a Prezi. The second and major assignment was a web quest which I created for my Introduction to Business class. And this is an international business project where students are going to open up a health food grocery store in another country, and they need to research the issues pertaining to economic, cultural, political, and legal, as well as geographic factors. The second class that I took was the tools for data, and here I have an Excel assignment for my computer applications students. The second major assignment was a Google Sites website for my Introduction to Business students, where they are going to open up a restaurant, and all the topics that need to be researched for this assignment are on the left-hand side, such as a name and logo, finding a location, design, menu, etc. The next class is tools for visualizing information, and here I created an assignment where we compare and contrast Prezi with PowerPoint, and this again will be in my computer applications classes where we teach PowerPoint and Prezi. My next class is tools for the development of instruction, and I have all the assignments here that I created: objectives, lesson plans, elevator speech, and so on. The final project for this course was on emotional intelligence, and this is a topic that we teach our Pathways students, and Pathways is a class that every freshman is required to take, and a total of 4 teachers teach Pathways, and I shared with the other teachers this website, and they have been using it as well for this topic. The next class is instructional design, and here I created another website with different types of topics, such as favorite songs, favorite places to visit, and so on. The next class is the technology in the curriculum, and for this class, my final project was creating a website using Google Sites on the subject of management and leadership. This I also used for my Introduction to Business class, or in my Introduction to Business class. And here we talk about 3 different topics: management functions and styles, leadership, and ethical methods. And currently I'm in my advanced web design class, and after this class I will have 2 more electives to take, and then I will have my master's in educational technology. Thank you.